Yes, you can make lots of money while you're still learning how to code. You can be making money as you're learning how to code. You don't need to become a professional web developer before you start making money from it. In my online institute, I organize it in such a way that this will be possible. That you, as if you become a student, you'll be making money while you learn how to code. I'm Uche Joe. I am an ICT consultant. I'm the founder of Heroicconcept International. I own an online institute where I teach web development, graphic design, digital marketing, video editing. Oh yes, you're welcome to Heroic Online Computer Institute. This is where we teach you ICT courses from beginners to professional level. Okay, so here are the courses available in the institute. So we have web design and development, graphic design, digital marketing, Microsoft Office, apps development, video editing. So all these courses, they have the courses, the topics available. Okay, under the web design and development, we have all these programming languages. Okay, you see them. Okay, so then graphic design, we have the courses. Then digital marketing, you see that. Microsoft Office, apps development, and video editing. One challenge people are having, people that are interested in programming, okay, people that are learning programming, one challenge they're having is this: it takes time to become a programmer. Okay, and most times when they're learning programming, they have to wait for up to a year before they start making money from it. Okay, so it's now becoming a challenge to programmers. So I looked at it, I said no, that I have to build a system that will help my students make money even when they're learning. My plan actually is this: I want a situation whereby by the time my students would have graduated, they would have recovered all their money, all the money they paid to learn. Do you understand? And that is why I planned it this way. Now, how does it work? Listen, let me explain how it works. Once you become a student, then we are going to give you some free training. Okay, mostly free training on digital marketing. We train you, we show you how you can organize yourself, how you can position yourself as a professional web developer, even though you are still learning. Hope you get it now. We train you how to position yourself as a professional web developer online, and you start making money, okay, while you are still learning, so that by the time you are done learning, you would have recovered your money. If you do this well, I assure you. Okay, now how do you earn from it? Once you position yourself as a professional web developer and someone becomes interested in your offer, because both of us, we are going to work together. Okay, once someone becomes interested in your offer, you are going to get a contract. Then our company will do the contract. Then you have your own share. So that way you are going to be making money while you're learning. The cost of our web development online presently is 120,000, between 150,000 and 110,000. Yeah. But if you're going to pay cash, you're going to pay 80,000. If you check our website right now, you're going to see that is the cost. Okay, if you're paying cash, you're going to pay 80,000 to learn web development. That is to learn how to code a website from the scratch. Okay, and they also learn content management system in the website. Okay, but right now we just checked it. And we say we try to accommodate people that are still coming up. Okay, we decided to come down a bit. Right now you can get our web development course at only 50,000 with lots and lots of bonuses. Okay, you just have to pay only 50,000. Then you have the course under this course, web development. You are going to study about 8 courses. Okay, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, MySQL, jQuery, Bootstrap, Ajax, and all the rest of them. Okay, all these programming languages are going for just 50,000 with lots of bonuses. Let me list the bonus you're going to get. We are going to give you free WhatsApp marketing training. You're going to know how to build your WhatsApp list and how to promote products and make money on WhatsApp. Okay, we are also going to give you free Facebook ad training. We are going to show you for free how to run Facebook ads effectively. Even if you know how to run ads, you learn a thing or two from the training, so that it will help you to run ads. Okay, by the time you would have positioned yourself as a professional web developer, you run Facebook ad if you want to, and make money from the contract you are going to get. Okay, then thirdly, we are also going to give you free video editing training. We are going to show you how to edit professional videos, so that in case if you want to use videos to run your ad, so you can use your laptop and edit videos professionally. Okay, we're going to show you all this for free. Okay, if you pay 50,000 naira to buy this course, web development course, this opportunity to pay 50,000 naira to get this web development course and the bonuses in it is just for a short time. We just want to accommodate people that are struggling financially, but they are interested in coding. We want to accommodate them. That was why we cut it down to 50,000, but just for a short time. By the time we would have gotten the number we want, it will go back to 120,000, and all the bonuses will drop. You understand? So if you are interested in web development, I think this is the time to make the right decision. Okay, if you are thinking what you are going to gain from web development, number one, you're going to make lots of money as a web developer. If you become a web developer and you are good, you're going to make lots of money. Some time ago, a few days ago, I was going through social media. I saw a post. I saw an advert. A company was advertising. They need web developers. Okay, they need MySQL developers. Yeah, MySQL developers, and they are offering to pay between 200 and 250,000 for those that are going to be working from their homes. That is just for part-time, just to show you that it pays. Okay, myself, I can do a job for 2-3 days. I make hundreds of thousands. You understand? So it pays. The important thing is that you have to, the important thing is you acquiring the skill first. Acquire the skill first, then boom. When you acquire the skill, then you learn digital marketing so that you can promote it. Once you have these two skills, boom, you make it. You get it. Once you know how to promote that skill you've acquired, you are good to go. There are many other opportunities you are going to get once you become a web developer. Okay, number one, you stand a chance of being employed. Okay, because businesses are going online and they need web developers. You understand? So if you put that skill in your CV, you stand a chance of getting employed. Okay, then you can use it to power your passion. If you have a passion, you have something you want to develop, you don't have to pay people to develop it for you. You develop it by yourself. People are paying thousands of dollars to maintain their landing pages, their sales funnels, and all the ICT tools, all the internet tools that they are using to promote their businesses. But you, as a web developer, if you know how to develop professional websites and landing pages, sales funnels, and all the rest of them, you don't need to pay for them. You develop it for yourself and for others, and they will pay you for it. So it's a wonderful, as a matter of fact, it's a wonderful skill. It's all about you learning it well and learning from the right person, someone who can teach you well. Then one more question you might be asking is, can someone learn web development comfortably online? Completely. You can learn it completely online. I have many students that are learning it. If you go to the landing page now, you're going to see the comments of my students. Okay, they are learning, and they are learning so wonderfully. They are learning wonderfully, and I'm even thinking of employing one or two of them to work with me because I'm becoming busier. You understand? So it's so easy. Listen, let me tell you, if you actually want to learn any internet skill, any ICT skill in this time, do not think of offline training. There are challenges with offline training. Number one, it might be difficult for some offline training centers to afford to pay professional programmers, because professional programmers are now going online and they are making more money online, so they don't have much time to spend in offline activities. Okay, how much will the offline training center pay them? So most of the offline training centers, because they can't afford to pay professionals, they are now employing amateurs, those that don't have experience. So if you learn from them, you might not learn so well. It might be difficult for you to cope. It is better to learn online from professionals. You understand? Then secondly, offline training centers might not be close to you, as in big offline training centers where you can also learn well might be far from you, far from where you live. Imagine transporting yourself to and fro every day for 6 months, 1 year. You would have spent hundreds of thousands. Do you understand? So how much then are you paying for the course, the skill? So when you consider all these things, then you have to relax and learn online. If you are waiting for someone to teach you offline right now, you might end up waiting forever. Online training is the deal right now. Is the real deal. You have to understand. The opportunity to pay 50,000 and gain all these bonuses is for a limited time. Just take note of this, please. It is for a limited time. The moment the time elapses, the cost will go back to 120,000. Hope it's clear. So if you are ready, please take action immediately. Don't waste time. Pay 50,000, then we now include you among those that we're going to give the training at 50,000 with all the bonuses we packaged for you. Because the moment the time elapses, it goes back to 120,000 and all the bonuses will go away. Once you register as a student, you are going to be given access to our online institute, Heroicconcept.com. There, you log in. When you log in, you are going to access videos. You are going to see so many videos, okay, on the course you are studying. Actually, you are going to start with HTML, okay? So you are going to see videos on HTML, organized, orderly, such a way that you start from the beginner to a professional level. Okay, so we made the video. We assume that you know nothing, you know absolutely nothing about web development, so that it will help you, so that you learn by yourself. As a student, this is how to log into Heroicconcept.com. Just visit our website, Heroicconcept.com, then click on login, then choose the course you want to log into. Let's say you want, okay, let me log into HTML, then enter email and password, then click on login. So in a twinkling of an eye, you're going to get yourself into the classroom. Beautiful. So this is our HTML classroom. All right, so these are the courses, the topics, okay, and these are the videos, okay. So you can download the video if you want to, okay, you can play it if you want to. Okay, so when you are done for the day, you go back and log out. Click here and log out. Okay, so that's how simple it is as a student in our online institute. Okay, so the videos are very much orderly arranged. Okay, and the tutorial is going to be one you are going to enjoy every bit of it, I bet you. Okay, and the same thing is in all classes of the courses we are going to learn, because we are actually going to learn about 8 programming languages, okay, in this particular web development course. Are you getting me? Including database management. Okay, each of these languages has separate classroom in our online institute. Okay, so once you log in, you're going to see everything the way it is well arranged. You're going to enjoy every bit of it, and it is organized in such a way that you will learn at your own pace. Even if you're a very busy person, you still learn comfortably. Okay, you learn whenever you are less busy. You mustn't learn every day, you understand, but please, you have to try to be a bit dedicated. Okay, if you actually want to learn this and learn it well. Okay, but let's say if you are too busy during the weekdays, you learn by weekend. Great, right? Every weekend you start learning. And you know what, we made it so easy that you can download the videos. You just go online, you download videos in case if you are struggling with data. So you have to download the videos and watch it offline. If you want to watch online, you can also watch it online. So we made it so easy for you that you can download those videos and have it offline. Okay, so it's so easy to learn. So if in any way you encounter challenge when you are learning, I'm always here to help. Okay, you can chat me on WhatsApp, then I'll give you all the direction you need. As long as you are my student, you're going to be my partner, and I'm going to be your mentor when it comes to web development. I've coded so many websites. I've coded oil companies' websites. I've coded transport and logistics websites. I've coded e-commerce websites. I've done so many business websites. So many of them. I've also coded forex trading websites, and so many of them. These are some of the websites I coded for people. Okay, let's take our time to look at it. If you become a student, you're also going to learn how to code all this stuff. Okay, let's start from this. This is an online banking website. Okay, it's an online banking website. So people come here, they do normal banking service just like you do it offline. Okay, then after that they will click here to withdraw, like when they want to withdraw. Okay, so the withdrawal will open. All right, so from here now you can now click on get started, and you withdraw. You enter your card number, password, and then you withdraw. Okay, actually this for the withdrawal, the way I coded it, you have to go through three different steps before you get your cash withdrawn. That was the owner's specification. Okay, that's by the way. So that's online banking website. Then this one is forex trading website. Forex trading website. This website manages all people that are interested in forex trading for this particular person. Okay, they register in this platform, and their earnings, their deposit, withdrawal, and everything is done in this website. Okay, all right. Then this is a business website. This is for auto dealer. Okay, so he deals on auto spare parts, engine, and all the rest of them. So that's business website. Okay, all right. So so you see a lot of things. You can even make payment online and all the rest of them. All right, then this is transport and logistics websites. Okay, so for this website is used for transport and logistics. Okay, when you want to track your cargo, like you will build something, then you want to track what you sent through the website. Just come here, enter the tracking number. Okay, you enter your tracking number, and let me just enter whatever number and check. So you see it will load on the display. See what it's showing you? Category not found. Cargo not found. Enter correct number. You see, if I should enter when I was testing, I just tested it with something with a certain number, but it's not necessary anyway. But let me just enter the one I used to test it when I was coding it. You see, so once you enter the correct number, it will display your whatever you ordered, details of what you ordered, and you will know where it is at the moment. For example, this one, cargo status on transit. So the administrator of this website will be updating you with updating you. Okay, so whenever you check their website, you know where the cargo is at the moment. But this one is just the demo part, or just the demo. Okay, it's not And this one is just what I used to test it. Like this picture is supposed to be the picture of the cargo. I just used it to test it to make sure that everything is working fine. So that's by the way. So this is transport and logistics. When you go to the back end, you are going to see how it's managed. Actually, each time I code a website like this that needs some training before it will be used, I normally make tutorial video to explain to the customer how to use it. Okay, so I actually did a tutorial here. Okay, I did a tutorial. Let me see if he has not deleted my account. Okay, my account is still functioning. So you see, this is the back end part of this website. If you come here, you see video tutorial. You see that? That is where I made the video tutorial on how to. Okay, so you see the video tutorial right now that I made for him, how to register and make an order as a customer. So I showed him how to do that, how to view orders, updates orders, and register shipment. Okay, how to update order status, cost, partners, etc. How a customer can track his order. Do you see that? So I usually make videos to explain how to use the website, okay, so that it will be easy for the customer to use. So that's what I did for this person. Okay, so that is transport and logistics website. Then this one, okay, this one is for marine. That's for the oil company, oil servicing company. Okay, or shipment. Okay, so look at it. All right, and let me see. So that is it. Then finally, this is an online shop for books. Online shop for books. That was actually my own online shop for books where I sell books. See, 227 views. People visited 227 times. Okay, so that's, by the way, there are many others, but I think these ones this one says it all. So if you become a student, you are going to learn how to do all these things and do them well, because this is what I do for a living. Okay, so I will make sure that you learn it and learn it well. Okay, just do your best. Start immediately. Don't waste further time. I've garnered a lot of experience when it comes to web development, and I assure you, you've got a lot to learn from me. And you know what? Myself as a person, I love teaching naturally. So teaching you is not going to be a burden at all. Okay, so if you scroll down, you're going to see I just added a screenshot of my conversation with my clients and my students. Just few screenshots. You can go there and see what they're saying about my products and services. Okay, so you don't have to be afraid of actually learning it. If you're actually ready, and if you are ready to start learning, don't waste time. This is the best opportunity you can get. Web programming is costly. It's just true. It's costly because it's a high income skill. Do you understand? It's a high income skill. That is why it should be costly. Okay, but we've slacked it down for you. We've made it so easy. It's costly, but we've given you the opportunity right now, okay, to learn and learn fast. How long is it going to take you to learn all these programming languages I listed? Actually, if you're a very busy person, you have to budget, let's say, it's going to take you up to a year and maybe a year and a half or 2 years. If you are not too busy, if you are ready to learn, if you don't have any other thing doing, that you just want to concentrate and learn it, then you are going to finish it up in 6 months. It will take up to a year for you to become a professional, for you to become a pro in it. Hope that makes sense. So if you want to learn, start now. If you start now, before Christmas, you would have gone far. But remember what I said, the moment you start, both of us, we are going to partner in such a way that I'm going to coach you on digital marketing so that you start making money while you're learning. That's my utmost concern. I want you to start making money while you're learning. Do you understand me? And that is what I planned for you. I'll train you on digital marketing, then follow you up keep advising you, keep directing you until you get a client. Because I know that the moment you get one client and it pays you some money, then getting the second client will not be a challenge anymore. Do you understand? Let's do business together. Heroic Universal Concept International is registered in Corporate Affairs Commission, Federal Republic of Nigeria. So this is our registration certificate. Okay, so we are fully registered. When you are done learning, in our online institute, you are going to have a certificate. Okay. So you add it up to your list of certificates, so that when you are looking for a job, it will be an easy ride. Okay. The truth is that by the time you would have learned web development, you acquire the skill and you become a professional in it. Then you also learn digital marketing and you practice it. You become a professional in it as well. You've acquired a wonderful skill. These skills right now, businesses are going online fast. Businesses are fast going online, and they need people. They need people that will help them push their businesses online. So with these two skills, web development skill, digital marketing skill, you will fly. It's just the truth. Okay, so this is a heavy opportunity. Seriously, it's a very, very wonderful opportunity for you. Take it, don't waste time. Take it. 50K is nothing compared to what you're going to get. You understand? You can even make that 50K in one contract. Just one contract you're going to get. You can make that 50K. So imagine there are loads and loads of opportunities here if we can work together. Okay, so take the offer. Let's do it together. Oh yes, so if you scroll down this page, this landing page, you're going to see the benefits, the lots of benefits you're going to get. You have free WhatsApp training. Here you're going to learn how to make cool money on WhatsApp, how to increase your WhatsApp view to over 1,000 views, how to build your WhatsApp list fast, how to save all WhatsApp group contact in the group you belong to. Okay, so you can easily save a group, the whole of the contact in a group in a twinkling of an eye. How to send bulk messages to all the customers, all your customers and WhatsApp friends. Okay, you can even send bulk WhatsApp message to people you don't even know, as into a number that is not your WhatsApp friend. Okay, then this free content creation. So if you want to create an online course, okay, so we also offer that for free. Okay, free Facebook and Instagram ads. Then these are what we give for free. Then when you come down here, so these are the courses under web development: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, web development. Web projects. Like when you are done, then you begin to build projects. Okay, it's React, jQuery, Bootstrap, JSON, database management, and WordPress. Okay, so down here, these are what you are going to earn, what you are going to benefit. Your benefit as a web developer, if you're looking for a job, it becomes easy for you. Okay, then you can comfortably work in the comfort of your home. Okay, you can go stuff like landing pages, sales funnel, or whatnot. It can fetch you contracts, lots of contracts. Okay, then you can code your own website and make money by yourself. Okay, you can teach people and also make money. Okay, you can build lots of projects for yourself and use it to make money as well. Okay, now this is what my students and the customers are saying. Okay, this is actually WhatsApp chats. Let me see this one. This one is actually, okay, let me look at it. Okay, that is from my student. He said, I'm observing everything about your work with programming. My brain is broadening. You see, this actually a good student of mine. He has been following my activities. He saw exactly how I'm using this he saw exactly. He was amazed at how I'm using programming skill to simplify tasks for myself and simplify tasks for my business, and he's just like, oh my God, you understand? So So that's what is, I mean, our charts. Okay, so this one, let's look at this one as well. This one, this one is also okay. It's still from my students. Is I wouldn't have learned coding up to this stage if I didn't do it. If I decided to do it on my own, within 1 to 3 months, I gathered what I couldn't have gathered in a year. Okay, you see, actually, it's not everyone that's gifted in teaching. Yeah, the guy is actually enjoying my lecture like crazy, you know. Oh, teaching is a calling, you know. So let's check another stuff. This one say it's alright checked. Okay, your teaching are easy to understand. I sleep thinking coding. Okay, so still from my students. Okay, so you see, actually I told you I don't actually want to blow my trumpet, as a matter of fact, but I love teaching. That's just the truth. I love teaching. I enjoy teaching. That is why I went into it. Okay. All right. So this one is okay. Okay, still from my student. Okay, so it has been interesting, loving it. I love the way you are breaking it down. I hope other programming languages I'm planning to learn from you will be easy too. Okay, planning to enroll in other classes. So you see, I took my time to break everything down to make sense. All right, so I think okay, let's look at this one. Okay, this one is okay, this is from my client, someone I design website for. He say that's the best. Okay, he say you're a professional. I have other orders around, but I'm more comfortable with working with you because no one has ever complained. I've actually designed website for this guy, so many websites for him, and he's just saying here that nobody has ever complained. That is to say that they shelled the websites. You get that? All right, so let me just look for the last. So let me just touch one. There are so many, but I just picked this few to show you that I do my job well. Do you understand? And if you learn from me, you're also going to be a genius in this. So look at what this guy is also saying. He say, checking with my system. Okay, he's just checking the website I designed for him. He's checking it in his system. It's a wonderful view. You are really a genius. But it doesn't okay, just talking about the WhatsApp. So I made a voice note to explain to him how it works. Okay, so that is it. So you see, actually I do my best to deliver. Okay, and if you become a student, we are also going to do our best to deliver. We are going to also deliver. Do you get me? If you eventually, after becoming a student, then you have your own platform. You have your own web development company. You own your own ICT company. Then you also deliver. Okay? I've always told people the greatest investment you can make for yourself, the greatest investment you can make is investing in skill. Skill is one investment that you don't lose. If you acquire the skill will pay you back in full whatever you would have spent. Acquired skill, and you know what? It's even amazing when you acquire the skill from the right person. The moment you start following my activities, you are going to start seeing that I am actually youth oriented. I do a lot of things for the youth. Okay, I have a website where I help in the promotion of skills of young people. Okay, I'm planning a lot of things for them right now. Okay, teaching is not a problem for me. Okay, I have natural love for young people, for their future. So if you want to be my student, don't waste time. Take this offer immediately. 50,000 with bonuses for a limited time. So if you want to take it now. Some people sometime ago, after giving an offer, when the offer would have closed, you still see people coming and asking for it. It has closed. I think the right decision you have to make right now is to take this offer immediately before it goes away. Okay, so that we start from here. Take the offer immediately before it goes away. Thank you so much. Just do your best. I wish you luck. Click on the link. Just go to the landing page. If you're interested in this offer, please don't waste time. Click on register to make payment, then register immediately. Let's take it from there. I wish you luck. I'll be glad if you can acquire the skill this year and make lots of money with it. Good luck.